Hey guys, and welcome to the second video in the free training course. I'm Tudor Jones from tudorjonesblog.com. This video covers your website. Now, I thought I'd start with your website because it's the most important part of your business, and to be able to make a consistent and stable income online, you need a hub, essentially your own online store, somewhere you can direct your traffic to. Make commissions and sales, whether it is you're promoting affiliate products or you're selling your own digital products. I'd recommend making your site a blog, somewhere you can offer free training, advice, sell products. Now, there are many free blog builders online. They're all perfectly fine, but I'd recommend investing a little bit more money to create a good looking website that's going to look good to potential customers. You want your website to look good because you want to ultimately be selling products. You can use WordPress if you like. I personally use Buildroll. It has a very easy to use website builder as well as many other great features. I've included an option for a 7-day free trial of Buildroll below the video if you would like to take a closer look. That aside, what you're seeing here is my blog. This is tudorjonesblog.com. This is the front page, the main page, where I do my affiliate reviews. You want an About Me section, because believe it or not, people are interested in who you are, and people like to know who they're buying from. And people are more likely to buy from someone they like. So I'd recommend just being transparent, being open, answering people's questions, not being so desperate to sell. Just take it easy. When they're ready to buy, they'll buy off you. Believe me, they will. I've also got the free training section here, where I've got a landing page for collecting emails in return for the free training. You got your links to your social media sites. I've got Facebook here. I should have Instagram somewhere. I don't know what's happened to that. I should put Instagram up there. I've got a YouTube channel. If you've got a YouTube channel, you can connect your YouTube channel to the site. Wherever else you want to sell. The idea is that everything you do online is connected to your blog. Your blog is your shop, the center of your business. Everything you do online should be going through your website. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to be talking you through the next most important part of your online business, and that is your email list. So check out the next video. I'll see you over there.